Since 1980, one band, and one band alone, has been able to capture the passion, excitement, and brilliance of a Rolling Stones live performance. With over 5,000 concerts worldwide, they set the standard, and redefined the art form they called simply the tribute band. Unlike the generic, note-for-note, or vaudevillian dress-up farces that came after them, they pushed the musical boundaries, making each performance unique, powerful and without equal. Ladies and gentlemen, from Toronto, Canada, the one, the only, the blushing brides.